How to use Claude AI with Gmail and Google Calendar. So here I am in the Claude.ai website, and as you can see, I'm logged in. What you need to do is click this plus icon right here, go to connectors, and then add connector. From here, type in Gmail, draft replies, summarize threads, and search your inbox, and then select your account. Now click the plus icon again, connectors, add connector, and type in Google Calendar. It's right here, the second one. Now if you click from Gmail or from Calendar, Claude AI gives you sort of an idea of everything that you can do with the integration. However, you can also just tell it to do random tasks for you. So for example, and as you can see, it can also create a calendar event. So now if we actually go to Google Calendar, we can see that Brian has a birthday. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.